Welcome to another U2 apartment tour. Today we're excited to show you a charming first-floor, walk-up building in West Farms, Bronx. This spacious 3-bedroom, 1-bath home offers classic New York charm with modern conveniences, and best of all, heat and hot water are included. Inside, you'll find 3 separate bedrooms, giving you plenty of privacy, space for a home office, or room for guests. The bathroom is clean and bright, with a full tub and shower. Beautiful hardwood floors run throughout the apartment, making it warm, durable, and easy to maintain. Step outside, and you're in the heart of West Farms, one of the most connected neighborhoods in the Bronx. The 2 and 5 trains at West Farms Square, East Tremont Avenue are just minutes away, and the 6 train is close by as well. Several bus routes run through the area, so getting around the Bronx, Manhattan, and beyond is simple. For shopping, dining, and everyday needs, you'll be close to the West Farms Shopping Center, neighborhood supermarkets, and plenty of local restaurants and cafes. Whether you're craving Latin specialties, classic Bronx diners, or a quick takeout spot, you'll have great options all around you. Looking for recreation? The world-famous Bronx Zoo is just a short ride away, and the New York Botanical Garden makes the perfect weekend escape. Local parks like Starlight Park, Crotona Park, and Allerton Park offer jogging paths, playgrounds, and green space for relaxation. Community centers, churches, libraries, and health clinics are also right in the neighborhood. West Farms is a community with energy and culture. Seasonal street fairs, cultural festivals, farmers markets, and block parties bring neighbors together all year long. If you're looking for space, convenience, and comfort in the Bronx, this 4-bedroom apartment could be your next home. To schedule a viewing, contact U2 Apartment today by calling or texting 646-504-4483. Help us reach the world. Subscribe, share, and comment. Have a great day.